I decided to attend Washington University based on a couple of factors. First of all, my parents are originally from the St. Louis area, and I also have an older brother who attended WashU. I knew I wanted to do engineering, and so I applied to several very good engineering schools, and when WashU accepted me, I felt like it was the right fit. I come from a very modest family in St. Louis. And back then, what I recall was you needed to study hard and use education to lift yourself up, and you needed to get a good job so that you could put food on the table. I really love working with my hands. I really love making things and constructing things. And I think when I was in high school and I took my first physics class, that kind of sealed the deal. I remember walking around thinking, well, I know how that works now, and I know the rules and the equations that govern those motions. And so for me, mechanical engineering was a natural fit because I knew that I liked creating. For me, being a Woodward Scholar was certainly a ticket to be able to attend the university. And I think it made me really appreciate being there because I knew that somehow, some way, part of this was being paid for on my behalf. And I felt like there was a responsibility to do as well as I could based on that. I'm the CEO of a company called Cell Therapeutics. Now, our mission is to create the world's best cell therapies. What we're literally doing is taking patients' immune cells from their body, and we re-engineer those immune cells so that they go and can recognize cancer cells. And it may come as a surprise or a shock to people that I have a degree in mechanical engineering, but now I spend all of my time in biotech. It's a very natural transition because when I was at the McKelvey School of Engineering, the engineering school gave me the foundation, the real basics about how to think about problems, how to think logically, how to rule out variables one at a time, and how to actually construct. I think the McKelvey School of Engineering really set me up for success in this particular field. I hope that the recognition allows me to have a little bit more visibility into what's going on currently at the school. I've really enjoyed over the last few years being able to reconnect in a little bit more meaningful way with both the programs and the students who are there, and I'd like to continue that. I think that there's some really interesting things that we can do together. There's a huge number of people that I would like to thank for getting me here in terms of what I've been able to accomplish in my career and life. First of all, of course, it's my professors and my undergraduate and graduate experience. I'd like to thank my lovely wife, Marie-Cécile, who's been with me on this journey for the whole duration as well. Couldn't have done it without her.